The current time is 10 o'clock. Disney California Adventure is closed. Just 2 more hours to go here at Disneyland Park. Also, all the lights are on like there's a parade going on, but I don't think there is a parade right now, so I think they're done. I'm gonna head over to Toontown for once. Haven't been there in a while, so let's go over there and see if we can get on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's a small world over there in all its glory. I don't know why, but Mickey's Toontown and Super Nintendo World, they kind of are similar because they're all the way at the very ends, like all the way from the opposite ends of the park. If you think about it, Super Nintendo World being on the lower lot, all the way at the very back of Universal Studios Hollywood. Then you got Tomorrowland. I mean, excuse me, not Tomorrowland. I mean Toontown, all the way at the very back of Disneyland. I guess you could say the same thing about Galaxy's Edge, but this is more cartoony. Just saying. Uh-oh, there's a lot of team members outside though. Is the ride down? Oh no, they're letting us in. No, look, it looks pretty empty over here. Wow. Well, it's currently a 15-minute wait over at Mickey's Runaway Railways, but speaking of Mickey Mouse, let's check his mailbox. Oh, how do you do it? Oh, this way.
Welcome to Mickey's Toontown. Mail's here. Oh, boy.
My name's Minnie Mouse. What's yours?
It's Shaun.
Don't you just love Mickey's Toontown?
Yeah, it's all right. Jeepers, Robert, what do you got for say?
Okay, what did the letter say to the stamp?
I don't know.
I'd lick you in a fight. Get it? I wrote Jessica a love letter, a poem of power and sensitivity. Want me to read it to you?
It's amazing how they still have Jessica Rabbit and Roger Rabbit here after all these years.
Oh, this is much better than playing patty cake.
What?
You really should drop me a line sometime. I'd like that. My mail's not bad. It's just written that way.
Movie reference. Goofy.
Something's in here besides mail. Oh, it's me. Oh, hey, fellers, don't be coming in here. There's no room.
And last but not least, Donald.
Oh, that's the big idea.
What? I'm just checking out your mailbox.
Oh, who did that?
I did.
You again?
Yeah, it's me again.
Oh, what's going on here? You can't do this to me.
I sure can.
Now, we'll see about this.
Oh, okay, I'm out of here. Yeah, look at that, 15-minute wait. Not bad, not bad. Here we go. These are just hilarious. Absent Bunny Professor, High School Musical, the Mighty Ducks, Hocus Pocus, the Happiest Millionaire, this is the Rocketeer, the Parent Trap. There's Sorcerer Mickey right over there. Pretty cool. Sometimes you see a ghost in that mirror. I forgot this queue is so big. My God, it's like no joke in here. The wrong door. Look at this, Theater 1, but look what it's showing. The wrong door. Oh. It's not the right door, it's the wrong door. Whoa, look at that giant potato. This is some theater, my goodness. Look at this. Got cheese, there's ketchup and catsup. What? We got barbecue, mayonnaise, relish. I don't know what those two are. Oh, one looks like it's melting away.
Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks.
Oh no!
I must have hit that track switch.
Goofy, wait, Goofy! Oh no! Ah!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen.
There's Donald. Uh-oh, the animatronic's not working up here. Ah! Oh, poor Donald.
Oh boy.
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now.
Uh-oh.
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Welcome, dancers, welcome. Come. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
Conga! Whoa! Oh, this doesn't look good. And that's the end, folks. A little hidden Mickey right there. And now we're in the gift shop. Of course, a Disneyland trip wouldn't be complete without a grand circle tour of the Disneyland Railroad. But we're going to be starting our trip at the Toontown station.
The Disneyland Limited, now arriving from a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom. Passengers will stand by to board.
Again, everybody exits the train here as this train is being taken off the track for the night. Thank you.
Oh.
Thanks again for riding the Disneyland Railroad. Please be seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you.
Uh-oh, that's not good. This one is being cleared of all passengers. So another train will be coming in about 10 minutes from now. Yep. I don't know if you heard that on the radio, but they're going to the roundhouse. This train is going back home.
With the queue, that next train again is going to be in around 10 minutes. This train's being taken off the track. This apologize about the delay, but another train will be here in about 10 minutes, and we'll continue all around the park. Thank you.
To stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Oh, hey, look what's coming. The Lily Bell. That's cool. If they still have the tours of the Disneyland Railroad by my birthday, I'm definitely going to be taking that. Because you also get a very cool map of the Disneyland Railroad. Ooh, it's going in fast. Jeez. Whoops.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Ooh, looks like there's heavy traffic on It's a Small World right now. My goodness.
Bitte bleiben Sie im Boot sitzen, bis es zu einem
Alrighty, folks, we thank you for choosing the Disneyland Railroad, and we hope to see you again real soon. Have a good rest of your evening here at the Disneyland Resort.
Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us, and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and click the bell icon to be notified of when a new video will be going live. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Disneyland fun. To stay connected, follow me on Instagram at Shaun Allen Films and follow my other channels, the Educational Series, the Vlog Series, and the Travel Town Series. As always, thanks for watching.